Okay, so I'm just creating a few splines in Paraview. And I want to create a surface between them. So I've already created spline 1, spline 2, which are opposite each other, and then spline 3, and I'm going to create another one. Go to Sources, Spline Source, and then you just basically drag the points to the corner points of your surface. And you have to rotate the view a few times to get the corner points in roughly the right location. Then if you want to add points onto the spline, do Control and left mouse button to create a new point, and then you can drag that point wherever you want it. So that's what I've done. So now I've got 4 splines. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and as long as they are numbered 1, 2, 3, and oh, that's number 5. I can edit that because the macro is going to look for 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 opposite each other, 3 and 4 opposite. Then I run the macro surface 5. That should have created a surface as a BTK file. I can open that or read that surface in. Oh, that's interesting. And it looks like the spline has got twisted. So if I go to number 4, that's literally the first time that's happened. Anyway, just swapping the ends of that spline, swapping that around, moving the midpoint. These splines have to have 3 points for this method to work because it's a quadratic method. So 3 points describe the quadratic curve. Well, hopefully that should work a bit better this time. I'm going to run that again. That's created a new file. Open that. And we have a surface. Nice smooth quadratic surface. So that is made out of quads. But if you want to, you can easily triangulate that surface and then save it as an STL file. So it's quite a handy method for creating a new piece of geometry without having to go back to any other CAD package. You can just create it all within Paraview to modify your geometry. That's it.